Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can log out of Snapchat on other devices. So the easiest and most secure way is to change your Snapchat password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can go ahead and log out of Snapchat on other devices. So go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Then after, select your profile picture icon from the top left corner of your screen. Then after, select the gear icon in the top right to go to your settings. From the settings page, scroll down and there you'll get the option of session management, which is between language and app appearance. Go ahead and select session management option. And this page will show you a list of devices or the places that you're logged in. If you want to go ahead and log out of a specific device or place, go ahead and select this cross icon that is beside it. And once you do that, you need to tap on OK to confirm and you'll be done. This will log you out of that specific device or place. Another thing you can do is you can also go ahead and change your Snapchat password, which will automatically log you out of all other devices except the one that you're currently using. So you can go ahead and select password option, which is between Snapchat Plus and two-factor authentication. From here, select a new password and confirm your password in the next field, and then change your password easily. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.